Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to give camera access to the Dropbox app on your Android phone. If you want to upload photos or videos directly from your device using Dropbox, granting the app the proper permissions is essential. First, locate the Dropbox app icon on your phone. Next, press and hold the app icon for a few seconds until a menu appears. Then, tap on the option that says App Info. This will take you to the app settings page. After that, look for the Permissions section and tap on it. Here you will see the different permissions the app. Now, look for the camera permission in the list. Tap on it to adjust the settings. You will see options such as Deny, Allow Only while using the app. Choose Allow Only while using the app to keep your privacy protected while still enabling Dropbox to use your camera when necessary. Finally, exit the settings and open the Dropbox app to check if the camera permission is working properly. You should now be able to take pictures or record videos directly from Dropbox without any issues. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.